In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Instagram profile with Fresha to enhance your business's online presence and connect more effectively with your clients. By the end of this guide, you'll have seamlessly linked your Instagram page to your Fresha account, enabling you to harness the power of social media to boost your business visibility. Let's get started. Begin by navigating to your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage your appointments, clients, and settings. From here, you want to direct your attention to the left side of the screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings menu. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where you can access various options to fine-tune how your business operates on Fresha. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to locate the Business Setup section. This is crucial because this area is dedicated to configuring key elements that drive the functionality of your online presence. Now that you're familiar with the Business Setup section, you'll notice various options. And what we're looking for lies under External Links. This is where you'll be able to connect your external social media profiles to Fresha. Focus your attention within External Links, and you'll see the option specifically for Instagram. You want to click on Add. This will open a field where you can link your Instagram, making it possible for clients who visit your Fresha profile to seamlessly transition to your Instagram page and interact with your latest posts and updates. Now, with the Instagram link option opened, it's time to grab your Instagram profile or page link. Make sure you're copying the full URL of your Instagram page. You can do this by visiting your Instagram profile on a web browser and copying the link from your browser's address bar. Once you've copied it, head back to the Fresha dashboard and paste it into the provided field under External Links. After you've entered your Instagram profile link, there's just one more crucial step to ensure everything is saved properly. Look towards the top and you'll see a Save button. Clicking Save will confirm all the changes and additions you've made, embedding your Instagram profile into the Fresha system. And there you have it. Your Instagram is now successfully linked to Fresha. This setup not only enhances your brand's presence, but also facilitates a smoother connection with clients and followers who wish to engage with your business on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your tools and services with Fresha.